Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we are doing the Stamp Champs collab. It's a collab on Instagram, and this month's theme is reversed stamping birds. So I am going to use a Squidbrains plate. I don't know what this one's called, but it's got some birds on it that I want to use. She's got all these super cute little images on here, like the little puppy dogs. I think they're puppy dogs. And bunnies. Oh, I should use those for Easter. They got little carrots. Okay. So, oh, that's a cute little bird there too. Oops, here. I'm looking at it. It's hard to see. Okay, so we're going to do some birds. So let's take the film off. Oh, we got a double. Yay! I always like the doubles. Oops, sorry. I'm fighting with my camera. It's actually the cord. Yeah, so she's got some super cute images. So we will clean this baby off in case there's any oils. Look, that's a brand new cotton ball. So always clean your plates. Okay, so one sec. Okay, so first off, I'm going to do this big, I think it's an owl. So we're going to stick with all owls. So I'm going to do an owl theme. And picked up nicely. So this, it's a reverse stamp theme, but you can also do watercolors with these, and there's so many cute little designs. I was just kind of looking at it, like all the bunnies, and there's like little tiny mice with a piece of cheese. They're adorable. Okay, so I'm gonna do this one. So, oops. And carefully going in, getting this stuff off, but not disturb my owl. So I got two. So one for here, one for here. I broke that nail, so it's a lot shorter. So maybe I can do this one, and then I'll do something on my pinkies. Oh, and I forgot to tell you what let's just pick this guy up, and then I'll tell you what I'm wearing. So that's 3. So carefully pick everything up. You can use tape, or you can use your scraper card. Does he have? I guess he doesn't have a beak. So that's okay. Okay, so on my nails, this is Quo Beauty, and it's a plant-based nail color. I got this at Shoppers Drug Mart. It was on sale for like $3. Normally, I went and looked today, and I look every time I go to Shoppers to hopefully they have polish on sale. They're like $12.99. Shoppers is really expensive for polish. I don't buy unless it's on sale, and sale for cheap. This one's called Blossom. They have some that they've got on clearance, but it's like $6. I'm not paying $6 for it. Sorry. I'm cheap. And the glitter that I put on, you can see the sparkles. This is Sally Hansen Xtreme Wear, and this one's called Disco Ball. I just kind of wanted something, you know, a little fancy. So I actually got compliments on this color today. One of the ladies at work. So, okay. So I think I'm just going to do 3, and then I'm going to look for something else. Hang on. Okay, so I got everything. So first off, I want to get some white because I want to do I want to do the eyeballs. So dot, dot. Dot. I don't know if this one's got really big eyeballs, but we're going to do them anyway. Dot. Dot. And then I got a lighter beige. Actually, I'm going to use this one. I figure we'll color these guys in first, and then we'll and then I'll stamp the other. So I'm doing his face lighter. And then I'll stamp or color his face lighter. And this one I'm gonna do all one color because oh. So I've seen a few owls. I remember going to Van Dusen Gardens here in town with my mom a few years ago, and I could hear an owl in the tree, so I got some video of it. I don't think I have the video anymore, but it was pretty cool. He was just sitting up there, hooing away. So I'm just going. And then I'm just going to go over the head where, because I've already painted the light part, it's okay that if I cover it. So there's the one. I need more brown because apparently I used a lot. Oops, I've just got it off. So I put a big blob down and then I just kind of spread out the polish. I don't touch the brush to the stamper. You don't want to accidentally pull up the outline. So I just carefully move the polish. And then I just kind of turn it over because sometimes the polish will pull away from the edge. So then I just go and check to make sure I've got everything. And I think now that I'm looking at this one, there's a couple spots on the edge. There. Okay, and then this little guy, he's getting painted all brown. Oops. Well, sad he's got no mouth, but that's okay. I guess I could draw one on. Okay, so now, I'm going to put one here, one here, one here, and then on these fingers, I am going to use one of her other plates. Stand up. No, again, a bit of glare. I was kind of hoping these clouds kind of match, but they don't. So I was thinking instead, I'm just going to add some little heart or stars. Just, well, that's kind of cute too. But no, I'm going to go with the stars. I like the stars. I think the stars are cute. We're just going to add. Actually, that's kind of cute too. Maybe I'll do that instead. Where's my black? Kind of gives it a little design. Okay. I had to move my stampers out of the way because I'm thinking I'm going to touch them and they'll be choked and I have to redo them. So I'm going to get all of that out of my way. So we're going to do that there. My little moon is partially missing, but I can fill that in. And then I'm going to do the stars on my index finger. So I just remove what I don't want. Oops. There was an extra little star, couple stars there that Isn't that cute? Okay. I guess I could have done trees or whatever, but I was kind of hoping to just find some images on the Squidbrains plates. And then that way I can do a full... But she didn't have any trees or anything. But I think the stars in that are cute. Okay. Okay. So now I'm going to use my Pro FX Sticky Base Coat. This one's not available any longer. I got it from Walmart eons ago. But I'm using it up because waste not, want not. So we're going to put some sticky base. I don't think I need it all on my nail, but that's what we're doing. And then I'm going to let this stay for about 30 seconds or so to a minute. Just, you don't want it dry, but you don't want it wet. So you want it tacky, the in between. Okay, so we'll be back in a minute. Okay, so I should be dry. So we're going to put this little guy on here. And then turn him the right way. And he's going to go here. And then Make sure he's turned the right way. I'm going to do him sideways, so he'll fit, because my thumb's not super long either. I've used my right hand. And then this way in my pictures, you can see him. Isn't that cute? I think it's cute. Okay, so now I am going to go in with my She Modern, and this is the sealer stamping. It's the Clear Matte Watercolor Jelly Polish. I like this to use over stamping. You don't need very much. I'm just gonna shake it, and once it's dry, it'll go matte, and then that way I know. So I've got way too much on there, so you don't need very much at all. So let's see if I can try and get some of this off. And I get a little, and then this little guy. I'll take some more off my brush. Okay, so now once it's dry, I am going to go in with my Sally Hansen Insta Dry Top Coat. This is the red bottle. So hang on, we'll be back in a minute. Okay, so I'm back and it looks dry because we're all matte now. It dries very quickly, so if you use a super thin coat, it dries super quick. So I'm just going to go in and top coat all the nails. So now what I'm going to do is I will have the collage photo of everybody who participated this month, and then I will have swatch photos for you, and then of course I will have Daisy and Pippa. So this is my reverse stamping birds design using the Squidbrains stamping plate. So I think her designs are super cute. What do you think? I like it. Okay, so once again, thanks for hanging out with me while I do this mani. If you're interested in seeing everything, whoever participated, I don't think everybody does videos, but it's because it's an Instagram collab, everybody will be over there. So you can go check them out. And yeah, thank you for hanging out with me. I hope you guys are doing well and you are staying safe. Okay, love you guys. And remember, be someone sparkle. Bye. Oh, why do you pee right there? Flowers are starting. Yeah. Stop it.